Hello everyone, my name is Michelle, and today we are going to be talking about how to find the distance between 2 points. So let's get started. So here we have the distance formula. D, which is distance, equals the square root of x2 minus x1, all of that squared, plus y2 minus y1, all of that squared, where x1, y1 is the first coordinate and x2, y2 is the second coordinate. And it actually doesn't matter which coordinate is the first or second one, you just have to make sure that the x and y are both first or both second. So let's do an example. Kai wants to measure the distance between her house and her school. On a grid, Kai's house is at the coordinates 3, 6, and her school is at 7, 2. What is the distance between Kai's house and her school? So here we are given two coordinates and we are asked to find the distance. And we are going to find the distance by using the distance formula. So let me write that out. The distance formula is D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So first let's identify which coordinate will be x1, y1 and which coordinate will be x2, y2. It actually doesn't matter which coordinate is 1 or 2, so I'm just going to say that 3, 6 will be our x1, y1, and 7, 2 will be our x2, y2. So now all we do is plug these numbers into the formula. So let me write them over here. D equals the square root of x2, which in our case is 7, minus x1, which is 3, squared, plus y2, which is 2, minus y1, which is 6, squared. Now all we do is simplify. 7 minus 3 is 4, so that'll be 4 squared, plus 2 minus 6, which is negative 4. That is squared. And notice how I put the negative 4 in parentheses, that's very important. Next we are going to simplify some more. 4 squared equals 16, plus negative 4 squared is also equals 16. And it's not negative 16 because we put the negative 4 in parentheses before squaring. So now we have 16 plus 16, and that equals 32. So now we have the square root of 32. So we are actually not done because we can simplify the square root of 32, and we should always simplify when possible. So I'm going to use the tree method to simplify the square root of 32. I'll do it over here. 32. The factors of 32 are 4 and 8. Factors of 4 are 2 and 2. Those are prime numbers, so we can circle them. The factors of 8 are 4 and 2. 2 is a prime number. And the factors of 4 are 2 and 2. Since we are dealing with a square root, we're going to be looking for pairs. And we have 2 pairs of 2. So those pairs are going to come out of the square root. And they're going to be 2 times 2, which will equal 4. And we still have a 2 left inside of the square root. So that is our answer. D equals 4 times the square root of 2. Now the problem didn't give us any units, so we don't have to worry about that. But if the problem does give you units, then you do want to write that in your answer. So yeah, that was how to find the distance between 2 coordinate points. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today, and have a wonderful day.